The universities at Shady Grove or USG offer select undergraduate and graduate and certificate programs from 9 Maryland universities, all in our full-service campus in Rockville, Maryland.
You apply directly with the university offering your selected degree, and on the application, you choose USG as your preferred campus. There is no USG application.
The professor, curriculum, and degree all come from the university offering your program. It will not say USG anywhere on your transcript or diploma.
Only graduate and upper-level undergraduate courses are offered at USG, so undergraduate students are also transfer students having done their first 60 credits elsewhere, commonly at a local community college.
So why USG? Why not USG? Some of the many reasons students choose to study at USG is because of scholarship opportunities, smaller class sizes, convenience to home or work, diversity, personalized student services, and because of student life.
And don't forget our gorgeous campus with state-of-the-art STEM labs, a full-service library, a campus rec center, and a new entrepreneurship center, and so much more. We look forward to meeting you at our open house and sharing more of our home with you.